You are going to love the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote start, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.